In this presentation, we will set up a payroll item for a health savings account within QuickBooks Online. For more accounting information and accounting courses, visit our website at accountinginstruction.info. Here we are in our S-Corp paid payroll file. We're going to go down to the workers section in order to set up our HSA, our health savings account. If we scroll down, we're going to look to set this up for Beth. So we're going to set it up for Beth, compare and contrast to Beth's prior payroll without it, as well as to Anthony, who does not have this setting as well, does not have this benefit. So we'll select Beth. Then we're going to go to the pay pencil here. We're going to go to the editing options and scroll down. We're on number 3 and we already have in Beth, we have the medical insurance. Now we want to add a new item. So we're going to add the new item. It's going to be a deduction contribution. These are going to be the 3 items she does not currently have, and we're not going to include those. We're going to include a new deduction contribution so we can compare and contrast the differences. Then we're going to go to the deduction contribution type. We're looking for an HSA health savings account. So we're going to look at the health savings account. Then we have the type of account. So we choose the type, and it's either going to be pre-tax health savings account or taxable. In other words, is this something that's going to be lowering the taxes that will be calculated on the employee? Will it be lowering the taxable income so that we pay less taxes? For example, the federal income tax possibly being less if it was pre-tax, as opposed to if it's taxable, then we're taking money, putting it into the health savings account, but it's not affecting the tax calculation. What we would like to, and note that you want to check to see if you qualify for the pre-tax, that would be the preferred of the 2 options, because not only would we be able to give the benefit of paying to the health savings account directly, but we would also possibly have a tax benefit, which would be a better benefit. So we're going to say, all right, we want to take it as a pre-tax, which should lower than the amount of taxes that will be paid. So we're going to go to the description. I'm just going to call it Health Savings Account Provider. Let's just call it HSA, so Health Savings Account abbreviation. And then we'll go down for the amount. It could be a dollar amount or a percentage. This would typically be a dollar amount because we're going to put a dollar amount, but it's possible it could be a percentage here. We're going to go with the dollar amount, so it will not change if the amount of the gross pay changes. It's going to be a straight 150. Now we might have a maximum annual that we want to have here. We're not going to put a maximum in this demonstration. So we'll go ahead and say save, and then we're going to say done down below. We see our new item, by the way, here. Now we have the 2 items, so that looks good under section 3. We're going to say done, and now we're ready to process the payroll with this new item. Going to go back to the employee list just so we're back to a familiar area. And then if we scroll down, now we have our 2 employees. We're back to the familiar area. We can run the report. What we're going to do is run the report for Beth only, process the payroll with that new item, comparing and contrasting that to prior payroll with Beth without it, and to payrolls with Anthony, who has different types of benefits. For more accounting information and accounting courses, visit our website at accountinginstruction.info.